To change the serpentine belt on this vehicle, you will need a 3/8" ratchet, a pry bar, or similar tools. I just used some 3/8 ratchet extensions. You will also need a 10mm Allen or hex socket and a 12mm wrench. Start by loosening the bolt on the alternator mounting bracket and loosen the 2 bolts on the idler pulley for the power steering and air conditioner compressor belt. Now you will have enough slack to remove the AC compressor and power steering belt first, and then after you have removed that belt, then remove the water pump and alternator belt. To remove this belt, you will have to slide it around the front of the fan. Now install the new belts in the reverse order you took off the old belts. This car has 2 serpentine belts. Keep that in mind. It may take a few tries to get the new belts fished around the pulleys, as new belts can be kind of stiff, and it may be hard to get them wrapped around. Tighten the alternator and fan belt by prying on the alternator mounting bolt with a pry bar or similar device. Then tighten the power steering belt by using a 3/8" ratchet and a 10mm Allen socket to apply tension on the pulley, and then use your 12mm wrench to secure the 2 mounting bolts on the idler pulley. Now start the car up and make sure the belts are seated in the pulleys correctly and that the belt is not squeaking or not tracking in the pulley grooves correctly.